Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 19th of October. And first of all, national news. Days after Supreme Court concerned, 17 judges appointed in 8 high courts. Over 300 Aligarh Muslim University women students in hospital after food poisoning. Center approved 20,774 crore for mega power transmission line in Ladakh. Jet Airways founder Naresh Goyal allowed home food in jail at own risk. Bengaluru to soon have 250-meter tall sky deck design inspired by banyan tree. IBM inked 3 agreements with India for semiconductor, artificial intelligence, quantum computing. 35 lakh weddings in India to generate 4.25 lakh crore business this year. Traders body. BJP released second list of 9 candidates for upcoming Mizoram polls. And now some international news. The war between Israel and Hamas has entered day 12 and there seems to be no sign of de-escalation. US sanctions 10 Hamas operatives, financial facilitators. Day of rage. Protests erupt in Arab countries after Gaza hospital strike. Israel will do everything it can to spare civilians, Netanyahu said. Adding my voice, Malala Yousafzai donated 2.5 crore for Palestinians. Putin guest of honor in China, Xi Jinping hailed friendship with Russia. Those involved should be held responsible, PM Modi on Gaza hospital tragedy. Mysterious chorus plasma wave detected surrounding Mercury. And China announced over $100 billion funding for its Belt and Road Initiative. And now some sports news. ICC takes complaint seriously on Pakistan inappropriate conduct. Appeal at World Cup. Report predicts next step. This Pakistan can't handle pressure. Hard to make comeback. Saurav Ganguly's verdict on Babar Azam. Business-related news. RBI fined ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank for failing to report fraud. Market continues to be difficult for consulting business. Wipro CEO said amid Q2 revenue drop. Wipro shed over 5,000 employees in Q2. Sensex dived 551 points, Nifty settled below 19,700. PSU stocks bleed, IIFL SEC jumps 15%. Akasa CEO Vinay Dubey revealed plans for triple-digit aircraft order by year-end. Festive bonus, Cabinet approved hike in DA to 46% from 42% for central government employees pensioners. Science-related news. NASA shared a mesmerizing picture of how the Earth looked like from space during the celestial phenomena. Mars is more seismically active than previously thought. And that's all in news. Thank you.